Welcome to the highly effective world of the Siamese algae eater. Scientifically named Crossochelys siamensis, the species is an absolute necessity.
The helpful fish belongs to the highly popular Cyprinidae family. The species originates directly from the waters of India, Indonesia, and Thailand. The Siamese algae eater reaches an impressive maximum size of 15 centimeters. A beautiful silver-white coloration covers the entire main body.
A bold black stripe runs continuously from the nose completely to the tail. Notice the highly distinct scale pattern visible just above the horizontal black stripe.
The slightly yellowish transparent fins provide excellent swimming maneuverability. Professional aquascapers consider the fish an unparalleled algae assassin. The dedicated worker actively targets and consumes stubborn blackbeard algae.
The constant cleaning behavior keeps the aquatic environment completely pristine.
The Siamese algae eater demonstrates a completely peaceful and friendly personality.
Gentle fish swims safely alongside much smaller community fish without issues.
The peaceful nature means the fish ignores the size differences of tank mates entirely.
A minimum tank volume of 30 gallons or 115 liters.
The fish requires an environment filled densely with natural aquatic plants.
Complex arrangements of natural driftwood provide excellent foraging surfaces. Smooth rocks form essential dark caves for comfortable daytime resting. The environment should feature moderate lighting to keep the fish comfortable. Maintain the water temperature steadily between 24 and 26 degrees. The perfectly balanced tropical warmth keeps the cleaning crew highly active.
The ideal pH level ranges strictly from 6.5 to 7.0.
The fish enjoys slightly acidic to completely neutral freshwater conditions perfectly.
Keep the water hardness level carefully balanced between 5 and 10 kh.
The highly active species presents a medium care difficulty for attentive keepers.
The omnivorous fish readily accepts specialized sinking algae wafers.
The flexible eater easily catches small pieces of floating commercial flake food.
High-quality fresh and frozen foods provide an excellent dietary supplement.
Limit commercial feeding strictly to ensure the fish focuses entirely on eating algae.
The fish often rests beautifully on broad green leaves, using the pectoral fins.
The slightly downward pointing mouth is specifically designed for continuous surface grazing.
The dark black stripe, interestingly, runs straight through the center of the tail. The highly energetic fish explores the lower levels of the tank continuously.
The sleek torpedo-shaped body allows rapid movement through heavy water currents.
The diligent worker also cleans green spot algae directly off the front glass.
A small group swims loosely together, indicating extremely comfortable socialization.
The thoroughfish checks every single crevice on the large centerpiece stone.
Highly oxygenated and clean water ensures the absolute best health condition.
The silver and black colors look incredibly striking against red aquatic plants.
Careful Fish maintains delicate moss layouts completely free of suffocating debris.
The active swimmer thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water flow.
The perfect symmetrical black stripe alignment is a highly impressive natural marvel.
The fish avoids extremely bright surface light by diving deeper into the foliage.
Peaceful bottom-dwelling catfish make fantastic and entirely calm tank companions.
Species proves to be an absolutely essential tool for any dedicated aquascaper.
The extreme hardiness makes the fish highly resilient for slightly experienced beginners. A massive weekly water change keeps the aquatic environment perfectly stable.
Notice the slightly iridescent green hue located near the upper dorsal area. The completely motionless fish blends perfectly into the complex shadow environment. The fish provides an endless display of highly entertaining motion to static layouts.
The careful fish ignores delicate plant leaves and only eats the harmful algae.
The fish looks exactly like a miniature striped shark patrolling the aquatic jungle.
Thank you for exploring the highly useful and essential freshwater fish species.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing utility fish care guides.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you use the Siamese algae eater to control blackbeard algae? Tell us below.
The Siamese algae eater is a true 5-star addition to any planted biotope.
The beautiful transparent tail fin provides massive forward thrust during rapid swims.
Natural dried almond leaves release beneficial tannins for the elegant fish.
Diligent cleaning makes even the dullest tank decorations look instantly beautiful.
Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the silver scales visually explode.
The cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead. The confident fish always returns quickly to the open central swimming area.
A sharp turn reveals the totally unblemished and clear dorsal fin structure.
A small group creates a highly efficient cleaning task force across the entire tank.
A plump belly indicates a highly successful day of continuous algae grazing.
The fish rests calmly on the bottom sand during the darkest part of the night cycle.
The energetic fish wakes up instantly as the morning lights slowly turn on.
The fish explores the deepest corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
Behold the highly active and incredibly useful beauty of the Siamese algae eater.
The calm fish interacts peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools.
Always remember to appreciate the essential cleanup crews in your beautiful aquarium.
The fish completely avoids delicate freshwater shrimp without showing any predatory behavior. The species brings an undeniable level of perfect natural balance to the ecosystem.
The active fish often swims directly into airstone bubbles for fresh oxygen.
The Siamese algae eater serves as the absolute perfect dynamic algae control solution.
A completely black background poster makes the silver body visually explode.
The perfectly healthy and clean gill plate covers indicate pristine water conditions.
The fish rapidly checks floating plant roots for any trapped microscopic algae.
The fish perfectly demonstrates why the Cyprinidae family is vital to the hobby.
Notice how the distinct dark stripe maintains its width perfectly through the tail.
During a brief rest, the fish spreads the transparent fins widely in the middle column.
The fish brings an incredible burst of rapid movement to the static green background.
The fish establishes a completely peaceful hierarchy within the community without aggression.
A slight color fade indicates that the water quality is dropping dangerously.
A highly varied diet of plant matter and meaty snacks ensures longevity.
The fish looks exactly like a busy underwater gardener, carefully trimming the landscape. The fish demonstrates an extremely sturdy swimming posture despite strong filter currents.
The species provides a highly engaging and fully natural method of tank maintenance.
The fish carefully investigates new smooth river stones for any fresh algae growth.
Keep your water perfectly clean and your diligent cleanup crew incredibly happy.
Add the spectacular Siamese algae eater to the freshwater community aquarium today.
Nature provides the absolute best and most efficient inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to professional fish keeping.
The strong fish swims continuously without showing any signs of resting fatigue.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Tiny sensory barbels near the mouth work rapidly to find perfectly hidden food.
The Aquatic Lie. Happy fish keeping.